Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to another video. This video is going to be the most expensive video that we have done on our channel. So this is according to the amount of money I spent on this video. So in today's video, we are going to unbox a few things. But of course, I know I haven't revealed what product it is. So let's get started and let me reveal to you what product it is. So here are the products that we're going to unbox for today. One is the Lacy HDD. Another one is the Airpods Pro. And the final product is the MacBook Pro. So as for the technical specifications and what model that I bought, we'll get to during the unboxing. Starting off with the first product, this is the Lacy hard drive. So let's unbox this. I've got my unboxing knife here, definitely stainless steel as always, and let's cut this open. So we got a seal here, so this seal is now open, and let's open it. Okay, there we go. Is that done? Let's put this here. And we got a pull tab here, so we just have to pull it out. And as usual, we got some documentation. Okay, so this is a recovery plan, and this is a warranty card, which is not applicable to me because this is only for Australia. And this is some in Chinese and Taiwan information cards. That's it. So let's put that aside for now. Oh, and we have another manual inside here. So it's just showing the manuals on how to set it up on Mac and Windows. What else do we have in the box? Okay, we have one more slip of paper, I think. Yep. So this is just a tutorial for me on Adobe Creative Cloud. So it has Photoshop, Adobe Premiere Pro. Of course, I don't use Premiere Pro. I'm a Final Cut user, but this I just got it. So let me put this aside, and that's it. There's nothing inside the box. So now we're onto the HDD here. The HDD is nicely packed in this plastic holder, and the HDD does not move. So I'm trying to shake this, but the HDD is not moving. That's quite the secure fit. Let's open it. Yep, so there's this plastic clip to hold it. With that, let's open the HDD. And whoa guys, this HDD is actually slimmer than compared to my other HDD. I was expecting all the HDD to be of the same size, but this is really thin. But for now, let's put this aside. We'll look at the size later. And here we have a USB-C to USB-C data transfer cable. We will definitely be needing this, but I already have a bunch of them lying around, so I'm definitely not going to open this. That's for sure. Let's put this aside. And now onto the HDD here. This HDD is really thin. I actually like it since it looks more like a SSD. So as to compare the sizes, let me show you my 5TB HDD. So this is my 5TB HDD, and this is a 2TB HDD. This is just the size comparison. Both the HDDs are from the same brand, Lacy, but this is the 5TB version and this is the 2TB version. Well, the space gray color on the 2TB has a higher contrast than the 5TB one. This 5TB HDD, I got it 2 years ago, and this is the one I got it now. Yeah guys, that's the first box, the HDD. I kind of like this slim design. Okay guys, so now onto the AirPods. Before I unbox this, let's take a look at the AirPods here. So the AirPods Pro has this MagSafe case, charging case. This was a silent upgrade. Apple didn't really talk about this in the October event. So now we have MagSafe charging case for the same price. Now let's pull this tab. So you guys ready? Oh, I actually love doing this. And let's go. There we go. We have just have this pull tab out. Let's take them out, and it's out. So now let's open this. It's taking some time, so let's open this. So here we have the design by Apple in California. So just the usual documents. And do we have Apple sticker? Well, we don't. My previous AirPods Pro used to come with the Apple stickers, but not anymore. And here's the AirPods guys. So of course I had to blur this because I have engraving here. I'm really sorry about that. Let's put this aside and open this. As usual, we have these silicone tips. The usual silicone tips, nothing much, and just a USB-C to lightning cable. And now with this done, let's take a look at the AirPods. So here's the AirPods, and now we've got, let's just open this out of this case. The covering for the case is now out, and here's the AirPods. So let's close this and now put it aside, and now onto the final product. Onto the final and the most expensive product. So we came by price tags. So the first was the cheapest HDD, next was the AirPods Pro, now onto the $2,000 MacBook. But before we open this MacBook, let's just take a look at the technical specifications of it. So I hope you guys can see it here. This is the M1 MacBook Pro 13-inch with 16GB of RAM and 256GB of SSD. Now let's unbox this MacBook. with our pull tabs here, and let's pull this open. This is just so satisfying to unbox. I've taken the wrappers out of the way, and now let's open this MacBook. The lid is off. This is the space gray color. Before talking about this MacBook, let me just take it out of the box. Okay, so now let's take a look at the accessories that we got. This is the basic USB-C to USB-C cable, just the usual charging cable. Whoa, this is the first time, guys. I think this was probably doing unboxing. I don't think this was shipped to me like this. This is the first time I'm seeing a MacBook coming with a wrapper out of its place. That is actually very strange. And here's the charging brick. So surprisingly, this brick doesn't say how many voltage it has. Of course, I'm not going to open this, as I'll be using my other MacBook Pro's charger to charge this. So I have this exact charger here, so I think I'll just be using that. We'll just leave these accessories unopened since I already have a charger. So now let's take a look at the documents. We have the documents for the MacBook, just how to use it. Probably I think the first time users will read this. I didn't do it when I first bought my MacBook. I just figured it out, so yeah, pretty useless. Same menu in Chinese, and warranty card, one in English and one in Chinese, and the space gray stickers. I personally didn't use my MacBook stickers at all ever since I got them, so be it on my MacBook Air or be it on my MacBook Pro, I didn't use it, so I'm just gonna keep them inside. I'll probably use them one day. I've been using MacBooks for 2 years now, and I have not found any use for it. So we'll think about a use case for these stickers later. So if you guys know anything, any use case, leave in the comments below. So now we're done with the accessories and the documents of this MacBook. Now let's take a look at the MacBook itself. Of course, we got this wrapper here. Let's open it carefully. Open this carefully. Okay, the MacBook is actually pretty cool. It's quite cold to the touch, which doesn't really happen on MacBooks. Usually I'll unbox MacBooks within 1 hour of getting them delivered, but this I actually took it a day or two to unbox it. Okay guys, so here's the space gray color. To be honest, ever since I started using MacBooks, I've actually hated the space gray color so badly, and that's the only reason why I got my MacBook Pro in silver color. Of course, I've seen the space gray color in Apple stores, but now seeing it in person, I'm actually liking it. The space gray isn't that bad after all. I'm still not a fan of the space gray, but it's definitely better compared to how I saw it in Apple store. So now let's turn on the MacBook. Despite having the same MacBook technical specifications, I'm still... Okay, here we have this chime. Let's take this out. Oh yeah, as I was saying, despite having the same MacBook with the same technical specifications, I'm still getting excited whenever I open a MacBook, despite it being the same MacBook, just a different color. And here we have the MacBook. The black color keys are just great when you see them together with the space gray color of the MacBook. Okay, yeah, I know this is totally not related to today's content, but I just want to appreciate that. And so yeah guys, that's the products that we unboxed in today's video. The first one was the HDD, and the second one was the Airpods Pro, and the third one is the M1 13-inch MacBook Pro. So those are the products that we unboxed today. And as for the other one, I said I'll reveal them at the end of this video, so let me just... So as you guys are seeing right now, the amount of money is $2,697. Yep, I guess that's the unboxing for today. I just wanted to unbox these products in front of you guys, and this has been the most expensive unboxing on our channel. I guess the highest product that we unboxed in our channel, as for before this video, was the AirPods 3. I guess that was the most expensive product that we unboxed, and before that wasn't really much. So yeah guys, I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, do remember to click the like button, and do remember to subscribe to this channel. And of course, your comments are very important to me, and that's how I would know if you guys like this video or what are your thoughts about it. So do leave them in the comments so I would know about it. And of course, your feedbacks, anything, just DM me on Instagram, or you can always leave it in the comments below. I would always read your comments. So yeah guys, with that, I'm ending this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye.